Now, here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, for the first time in many, many weeks, we are not talking about a huge snowstorm. We are talking about some snow and then rain, so that will lead to some potential issues. In fact, a winter weather advisory goes into effect at 1 p.m. and stays in effect all the way through 1 p.m. tomorrow. And it's not really because of the total snowfall that we're expecting, which won't be that much, but it's the combination of snow and then rain, which is on the way tomorrow. One of the issues will be the potential of street flooding because of these clogged storm drains. Crews have been working hard to clear out as many as possible, but they can't get everywhere, so be mindful of the potential of some flooding on the roads. And then we also have the additional weight on your roof. You get the rain coming down on top of the snow, which is already out there, and that will create some extra stress up there. So really two issues to keep in mind as we head into the weekend in terms of your roof and some of that street flooding. Also, we could see a few issues with some freezing rain to the north and west of 295. We'll talk about that in just a second. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not showing any precipitation for now. We take you in a Futurecast mode, and as we head into 3-4 p.m., you can see some light snow starts to move in. It picks up a bit around 7 p.m., so just use caution if you're out and about for Saturday evening. And we are already transitioning over to some rain, maybe a little freezing rain at 7 p.m. at the coast. It takes a while longer for that mixing line to make it into northern Rhode Island. I'm going to now fast forward all the way through tomorrow afternoon. Don't worry, I'm going to detail the precipitation type timing in just a second, but I just wanted to show you that by around noon tomorrow, most of this starts to push out of the way, ending as rain. However, behind the rain, we'll have some wet roads and then some very cold air pours back in tomorrow night, and that could refreeze any moisture which is already on the roads. So some slick roads on the way tomorrow night as well. -6 is your actual temperature in Smithfield right now. -3 Providence, -10 in Westerly, a balmy 14 degrees on Block Island. Winds are out of the west at 3 miles an hour. The wind chill is -11, and you can see an icy Providence River from the hurricane barrier, giving you an idea of just how cold it is out there right now. And this storm really has several pieces to it. We'll get piece number 1 this afternoon. This is the colder side of the storm represented by the blue, but notice we go down to the pink with the freezing rain, and then the green representing the plain old rain. We get clipped by this part of the storm primarily tomorrow. So here's how it breaks down in terms of precipitation type. 7 p.m. mostly snow, a little bit of mixing already here at the coast. By midnight, we're mixing to rain in Providence down through the coast, maybe a touch of freezing rain in Providence. Still snowing to the north and west of 295 for places like Woonsocket, Burrville, North Foster. And then tomorrow morning, it's mostly rain and some fog, but we could still have a little bit of freezing rain, especially to the north and west of I-95 and 295. So if you're driving up near North Foster, be very careful, especially early tomorrow morning. And then again, by tomorrow afternoon, the precipitation lifts out of here. In its wake, not a tremendous amount of snow, 1 to 3 inches for most of our viewing area, 3 to 6 for places like Burrville. This is the location where tonight through tomorrow morning, the snow will keep up for a bit longer. And in the 7-day Futurecast, I do have some good news for Wednesday. Right now, our recent computer models actually do not bring in a major snowstorm, just the chance of some snow. We cannot completely write this off just yet, so stay tuned for updates on that midweek forecast. And you can see what happens tomorrow night behind that messy mix. It gets very cold, so we're down to 9 degrees again by Monday morning. Only teens for highs on Monday afternoon. You can always go to WPRI.com for the latest weather updates.
Now,